This is Grid Zero, Cal Hunter on the mic. Are you listening? Good. 8:15 a.m. Your phone vibrates, one notification, then 10. You look up, the internet is lagging, the TV cuts out, the lights flicker like a bad movie. Except this isn't a movie. If World War III starts this morning, understand one thing. You don't have days, you have minutes. And no, scrolling through Twitter isn't a survival plan, it's your epitaph. Today, I'm giving you the protocol. 7 things to do immediately, not tomorrow. Now, Rule 0. Breathe. Panic is like opening a parachute inside a falling plane. You feel busy, but you're still dead. Stop. Exhale. Rule 1. Cut the noise. Kill the TV. Social media right now is a toxic fog. Experts will scream, contradict each other, and multiply your fear. The result? Your brain melts. Keep one reliable source of information. 1. The rest is poison. Put the phone away. A calm mind analyzes and survives. A panicked one becomes a statistic. Rule 2. Dig in where you are. Do not grab your car keys to drive to a friend 40 kilometers away. Worst idea possible. The roads will become the first mass graves. Gridlock, accidents, empty tanks, and total hysteria. Movement is chaos you cannot control. Lock the doors, close the curtains, kill any unnecessary light. Your home shouldn't look like a fortress or a stockpile. It should look like a boring, empty, uninteresting place. Silence is your armor. In chaos, it's not the strongest who survives. It's the invisible. Rule 3. Water. Engrave this into your skull. It's not a luxury. It's priority number 1. Once the collapse starts, the pumps will fail. Electricity dies and tap water becomes a memory in a matter of hours. Fill everything. Bottles, pots, canisters. Fill the bathtub to the brim. Even that dusty bucket in the back of the closet. Every liter is an extra day of life. Right now it's just water. Tomorrow it will be worth more than any gold in the world. Rule 4. Prep the bag. Not for a stylish Instagram post, but for the real dirt. Documents, medicine, a light, a knife, food, and water. That's it. This bag is your freedom, compressed into 30 seconds. Rule 5. Stay put. Move only in 3 specific cases. If your home is literally on fire, if you have a clear destination you can reach, or if you manage to get out before the collective panic started. If you're in doubt, stay quiet. The man who can wait always sees more than the man running with the crowd. Rule 6. Structure. Talk to the people around you. Family, reliable neighbors, not to shake in fear together, but to decide. Who watches? Who guards the perimeter? Who has what? The lone wolf burns out fast. A group is resilience. Rule 7. Cash. The digital world is fragile. Credit cards will become useless plastic, and bank accounts will be phantoms on dead servers. Withdraw cash while the ATM is still breathing. In a world that's falling apart, paper and steel are the only laws left. While 90% of people are watching the news, you are acting. The winner isn't the fastest, it's the one who knows the protocol. The question isn't if it happens. The question is, will you be ready? Cutting the grid. Grid Zero, out.